Now before creating a stack over here, let's see what's the differences between using array in stack and using linked list in stack. So when we are using array, the advantage is it's very easy to implement. So when we are using array, we can easily implement all operations that we discussed in easy way. Now the disadvantage of using array is its fixed size. So this means that when we are declaring a stack using array, we have to set size. So for example, if we set the size 5, so we cannot insert 6 element in this case because we cannot exceed this size over here. So this is the main disadvantage of using array when we are creating a stack. Now when we are creating a stack using linked list, in this case, the advantage is size is variable. So this means that we can insert as many as element that we want. So we don't have to set size when we are declaring stack over here. So this is the main advantage of linked list. And the disadvantage of linked list is that it's not easy to implement. So when we are implementing a stack using linked list, we have to do more operations than the implementing it using array. So the implementation is not easy as it in arrays. So these are the main differences between using array and linked list. So now let's get started creating a stack using array. Then we are going to implement all operations that we discussed in our previous lecture. Then after that, we are going to implement a stack using linked list. And one more time, we are going to implement all operations that we discussed in our previous lecture. So let's get started.